Pensacola, Florida. I want to talk to you about the lionfish. We're going to go and we're going to eradicate this critter, and we're going to cook them up and we're going to eat them. What happened was they showed up and they are taking over areas. They're gobbling up the small baby grouper and snappers, and well, the fishermen and women here in Florida, they're doing something about it. We're going hunting and we're going to go shooting lionfish. Coming up on the Fishmonger. Hey, it's Florida, right? For some reason, people have made this state a dumping ground for a mess of invasive critters. The last time I checked, there were 14 non-native mammals, 6 birds, 24 reptiles, 4 amphibians, and 32 fish, including the destructive lionfish. Now, they first showed up here in the mid-1980s, and they've been exploding since then. And as hard as folks here have been trying to rid of these ecological game changers, Florida Fish and Wildlife encourages lionfish removal through spearing and trapping. But it looks like the lionfish are winning. They eat the smaller fish that native species need to survive, and for that reason, well, we must harvest and eat them all.